Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how you can add new workspace on Slack. Maybe you want to create a new workspace on Slack but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can create new workspace on Slack. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Slack application and log in with your Slack account. And then in here, to add a workspace, simply tap on this profile at the upper left corner of your screen. In here, you will see the Add a Workspace. Tap on this Add a Workspace. From here, you will see your email address. And below that, you will see the Create a New Workspace. Tap on this Create New Workspace. From here, you have to select an email address to use. You can use your current email address or use another email address. For example, let's use my current email address. From here, you have to name your company. For example, let's just say video tutorials. After that, tap on this box and then tap on the next button. From here, as you can see, who else is on the team. For now, just simply tap on this skip button and then tap on the continue. And here, simply type in what the project your team is working on. Let's just say something like video tutorials again, and then tap on the next button. As you can see, tada! Meet your team's first channel. And here, tap on your see your channel in Slack. There you go, you just created a new workspace on Slack. There you go, if you wanted to know on how you can create a new workspace on Slack, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can create a new workspace on Slack, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.